Welcome back to the Williams family. Today I'm going to be making a rainbow cake. For what you need for it is 3 eggs, a cup, 1 cup of cooking oil, you need some water, and rainbow cake mix. You're going to need a pair of scissors, a spatula, and a whisk, and a bowl. And then you're going to need to coat your pan with some oil. So first, I'm going to be cracking these 3 eggs in. Then I'm going to put 1 cup of cooking oil, half a cup of oil, sorry. And then I'm going to put some water. And then I'm going to take the whisk and mix it. Put it down. And this is how it looks so far. It's really bubbly. And then I'm going to open the mix. And then I'm going to pour in the mix. There you go. And then next I'm going to get back the whisk and I'm going to mix in them all together. This smells really good. If you have a mixer, you can use the mixer instead of using your whisk. And make it a nice, soft, thick, like this color. And then what I'm going to do is pour it in the pan. Make sure you put all the batter in. Get all the mixing. Alright, and then you need to put your reheat oven at 350, and then I'm gonna put it in the oven. So make sure you always open the dough when you're putting stuff in the hot oven. So on the box it says put it in for half an hour. So I'm gonna put it in half an hour. And there it goes. After when the cake is finished, and then we'll ice it. Give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and comment down below what video you guys would like us to do next. So guys, I'm going to be putting an alarm for 30 minutes right now. There it starts. Finish, I'll check on the cake. I'll be back. So guys, the timer has stopped. I'm going to be taking the cake. So, and then I am going to set up so I'm going to make it cool for 10 minutes. So I am going to take the vanilla icing, put it right here, and I'm going to put the here. And then I am going to take the cake out of the oven. Make sure you always have a parent supervision when I'm taking some hot stuff out of the oven. The cake. Nice and hot, so we are going to make it sit to make it warm so it's not too, so for 10 minutes, and then I'm gonna come back. So guys, I'm gonna make the cake sit for 10 minutes and I'm gonna come back and ice stain it and show you guys how it's done. Guys, the cake is finished warming down. As you can see, I took it out, and it's now time for me to icing the cake. So you can put as much icing as you would like. Finish. Now I am going to close up the ice. I'm closing up the icing, and then I'm going to put in the fridge. You can use it another day when you make cake, but make sure that it's not expired. Now it's time to taste test, guys. Cut the cake. This is how it looks from the inside. Really nice. Now it's time to taste the cake. So guys, that's it. Thanks for watching me make my first cake ever by myself. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, comment, share, and comment down below what video you'd like to do next. Peace, guys.
First I know this is really love, cause baby me feel the love. Me need more than a single. Is it too soon to say I love you? Cause girl I do. I know those words are few, but I'll show you. Cause everybody needs somebody.